Yes, my dear good fans out there, I remain Dr. D. Aizun, your lecturer on chemistry on social media, as usual. But right away, I lecture on biology. So my last lecture was the hybrid inheritance, a method Mendel used in determining how characters are transferred from parents to offspring. Right away, we'll be talking about determination of sex in human beings. Sex here stands for the gender, either a male or female. So how a male child or a female child is born. Now listen carefully to what I have. Genetic traits are determined by genes, which are located on the chromosomes. Remember that in the cell of animals, there are rod-like substances called genes, which are in the chromosomes. They are found in the nucleus of cells. So here it says genetic traits or characteristics are determined by what? Genes that are located on the chromosomes. The sex of an organism, that was the gender, whether female or male, is a genetic trait which is transmitted from parents to offspring during sexual reproduction. In all organisms with sexual reproduction, there is a pair of chromosomes designed as X and Y chromosomes. In this instance, the entire chromosome, rather than the gene, controls the sex or the gender of the individual. Every normal female carries a pair of XX chromosomes. See it here, XX chromosomes. Every normal female carries XX chromosomes, which is the sex cells or the sex gametes. And every normal male carries a pair of XY chromosomes, XY chromosomes. Because of reduction, or that was division or meiosis, which takes place at the gamete formation, which is known as what? Gametogenesis as a process. The number of chromosomes is halved, and it's divided into two. In a normal human being, there are 23 pairs, that is 46 chromosomes in each sex cell. Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are called autosomes and have no direct effect on the sex determination of the individual. Only one pair is directly concerned with sex determination. This one pair, that is the two chromosomes, is referred to as the sex chromosomes. So in the male, the two sex chromosomes in each gamete are called X and Y chromosomes. What that is for male. While in the female, all the sex cells that contains two chromosomes. So XX is what we find in the female. That is a constant. Therefore, all the eggs contain one X egg with a sperm carrying either an X or a Y chromosome. So after fertilization, the combination of an egg with a sperm carrying either a Y or an X chromosome occurs by chance. By chance. So the chances of an egg combining with either the two types of sperm are equal. They are equal chances. So therefore, if a sperm with an X chromosome combines with an egg having X chromosome, then the zygote formed will have two X chromosomes, XX. And this means that a female baby will be born. But if a sperm with a Y chromosome combines with an egg having X chromosome, the zygote will have XY. And that means a male baby will be born. And this is illustrated in the form of a diagram as follows. Now, This is X of the man. This is XX. This X of this one will still give you XX. The Y with this will give you XY. The Y with this will give you XY. So it means that if you see this diagram here, the 4 children that will be formed in the first generation, 2 male, 2 female. So please like it. If we now assume this to be Mr. Ola and Mrs. Ola, with the first 4 children, 2 will be female, 2 will be males. So that is how a male child or a female child is determined by the union between the sex cells of the male and the female. So comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more lectures on biology and chemistry. Thank you.